Hi everyone. Good evening. I hope you all are doing great today. So, like Jesse said, I'm still a product manager in Supra. So, Supra is actually a blockchain company creating the layer one agri architecture for the whole blockchain kind of thing. So, interestingly, I like Jesse said as well, he started his life as a freelancer, but I had a very diverse kind of background before coming into this industry. Like I was a seafarer. I mean, Philippines is like very famous for seamen, right? Like I know we used to go for short courses there as well. So I was working in an oil tanker based in Houston, Texas. So there was like some issues happened. I had to come back home, and when I come back home, it's quite relevant to what we are doing today. Actually, so when I come back home, like I was a seaman. I had a degree in nautical science, but when I come back home, I was compiled to actually work from home. So due to this, like my degree has no worth at all. Like I started like exploring stuff what I can actually do inside my house to earn money. So that's how I started my remote working career, and it has been like 6 years. Even before post pandemic, I was like working from home. So working from home wasn't something new for me, and so like what I did was I started discovering stuff. I started learning stuff in internet, learning stuff in YouTube. Like similar to what we have today, we have the technology that we can actually do stuff just by having a basic knowledge. Like you don't need to be a coder to actually build a website. You don't need to be a very how do I say, a very talkative person or very presentable person to actually make YouTube videos. You can actually use AI technology to make YouTube videos. You can do a lot of stuff. Like Jesse is the one who actually taught me how to design stuff. And I was like, Jesse, I don't know how to design stuff. And trust me, he did this like in 2 months. I could actually design stuff in Figma, prototype. So that's how good teacher Jesse is, and that's how easy it is to actually learn in this technology that we are living in, and we could actually build a very good career based on whatever we have learned. Like I told you, degree in nautical science means nothing in IT world, but I have like 6 years experience working in the IT industry with the knowledge that I actually gained only via internet.
Praveen, so you had a degree before in nautical science. May I know how you got started during your first year? If I don't mean to pry on the question, but I just want to ask your first few years when you started freelancing. How was it during your first few years doing freelancing? Was it difficult? Was it hard? Can you walk us through what you did?
Like, to be very honest with you, it wasn't a difficult journey, but it's challenging. Definitely it's challenging. It's not on my early days as well. It's right now, it's still challenging. Like it's consistently revolving, it's consistently evolving world, right? Like I just told you, right? I learned design from Jesse. So the most important thing that you have to have in yourself is the ability to listen to people. Like no matter, like let's say now you're listening to me, right? Let's just keep it informal. Let's say you're listening to me right now, and you're thinking that this guy is crapping, this guy is talking nonsense. Let's just assume that. But let's say I crap 100 words, 20 of that words might be very beneficial for you. This is one of the most important skills that I really think that it's very beneficial for every single body. It's important. You have to know this, that listen to people, no matter what you think of that person, what perspective you have from the person, you will be able to learn a lot of stuff from every single individual. Let it be Jesse, let it be somebody else, let it be your colleagues over here in this classroom, whatsoever. just keep an open mind, consistently learning, consistently developing. So one more thing that I would like to add is that since I had no background in IT, I came here with an open mind. So I know that I would really do very bad in IT world because I had no knowledge. So that is one of the things that I think that everybody should have. Like being a product manager itself, right? Like both me and Jesse, we were working in a blockchain industry, and then now Jesse is working in a education industry. It's totally different. Even though the product manager job scope is still the same, the methodology and everything is still the same. When you go into a different industry, you will have to learn a lot. You will have to put the effort. So there's a saying that be jack of all trades and master of none. As somebody who's working from home, I believe that that's the most important thing that you need to be. You need to know a lot of stuff. You need to like even though you're not involved in design, you need to know at least basic stuff of design. You need to know basic stuff of communication, basic stuff of tech. How like an engineer ask you, we need this problem to be solved. You might not know the answer, but you should be able to make sure that you ensure him that you could find that answer. He should have that credibility towards you. So someone asked me, like now you ask me a question, right? I might not know the answer, but you should believe in me that I should be able to answer. That's the credibility that you should create especially in a work from home environment. Because when it comes to work remotely, work from home, whatsoever, the most important thing that people have towards you is trust. You need to make people believe in you. So because it's trust basis, right? You're not going office. Let's say we encounter a situation like that. I don't know whether Jesse mentioned to you, right? We had a lot of scammers coming into our industry, trying to say that they're working remotely and started outsourcing their job. Maybe Jesse could tell you guys more about this. This kind of things happens a lot. So build that trust. So that's very important. I hope I answered that.
Yes, absolutely. And during actually that reference on a lot of scammers coming out, I would know. I've experienced some of them. And the ironic part is, I'm sure Jesse's aware of this as well. It's even our countrymen that also issue the scamming. Sad, right? Sad, right? So, by the way, Praveen, thank you. Thanks for answering the question. You did answer my context. Thank you.
Thank you, Matthew. Yeah, thanks, Jesse. And I think you guys actually did a good thing. Like Jesse is is a very, very reliable person, very knowledgeable person, and the most important thing is productivity. So one thing that you guys can learn from him, I hope you guys do this as well, is that learn his productivity method, learn how he actually tries to consistently improve himself. Like I know this because we went into blockchain industry together, and I know that for a certain we absolutely knew nothing about blockchain industry at all. So we what we will do is we will have like a sync up call 1 hour just to learn new stuffs and do new stuffs and all this kind of stuff. Yeah. Jesse initiate that a lot.